I am about to make myself dinner. I've made this dinner before here in Italy, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it again. First step is to cut up your pepper. I have just one bell pepper. Zuccini. It's just a green one. I think green ones are the only kind of zucchini. Cherry red tomato.
My baby just cares for me. My baby don't care for furs and laces. My baby don't care for high-tone places. Brando just ain't a style, and even Mr. Clooney's smile is something she don't see. My baby don't care who knows it. My baby just cares for me.
Extra virgin.
Alright boys, stir it up now. Are we ready? Oh, let's go!
Next up is these hamburger patties. I just put the patties on. This is what it's looking like.
Oh, Brando just ain't her style, and even Mr. Koenig smile.
That's how I've been eating my dinners lately. When I do cook at home, the best thing I've found at the grocery store are these chicken hamburger patties. The vegetables here are amazing. I haven't had fresh vegetables in every single place. Restaurants, grocery stores. It's amazing. They're absolutely so fresh here. So yeah, I've been just doing my vegetables and the hamburger. It's like a chicken patty, but it was, like I said before, it was gluten-free. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in and enjoy this amazing dinner. I wish you could eat it, but it's kind of mine, so.
My baby don't care for